Installation and disassembly of rubber strips. Remove the 4 bolts above the water-absorbing scraper. Note that there are differences between bolts, and the bolts used to fix the universal wheel should be smaller. Open the fixing buckle on the side, and remove the metal strip. Remove the rear rubber strip, and you can see that the incision is flat. Remove the plastic pressure strip fixed in the middle. Remove the front rubber strip and you can see that the incision is not flat, which can be used to distinguish between the front and rear. The entire water-absorbing scraper has been disassembled. Next, let's install the water-absorbing scraper. When installing the rubber strip, pay attention to aligning it with the buckle. Install metal pressure strip. Install universal wheels and bolts. Installation completed.